Welcome to this session on functions, where we take a look at what functions are in relation to Python programming and how they are used and applied in Python. Okay, so let's get started. A function is a named block of code that is used to perform a single action. So given a name, a function name, a pre-written block of code can be used to perform an action again and again every time the name of that function is called. Functions in Python are like the repeated verse in a song sheet, which is labeled the chorus. And this instructs the repeat of the verse on every instance of the chorus without rewriting that same verse every time it's needed. We know that every time the word chorus is called or seen, we repeat the chorus, the verse that has that label. Functions enable us to write code in groups and to reuse that code whenever we need them. Given an input, a function provides an output. Python has numerous inbuilt functions, which include the basic print and input functions used to output and input data respectively. The input function is labeled input, and the output function one of the output functions is called print. We'll be looking at the input function and the print function briefly in this session. The print function outputs to the screen data passed to it when the function is executed. The print function requires that you provide it with the output required in the parentheses that follows its name call. So, for example, if we have print, we call the print function print, and within the parentheses we are providing the output that we would like it to output to the screen. In this case, hello. So here we have the function name, which is the print function which we're calling, and we have the parentheses and a string literal output. Literal is a sequence. A string literal refers to a sequence of characters enclosed in quotes. So here we have a string literal output being passed as an output to the screen by the function print. The basic input function provides the user with a statement and we refer to this statement as the statement prompt, and this allows the user to reply or input or provide input through the keyboard. So in this example, we have the variable name, and we have the input function providing a statement, a prompt statement to the user that says, please enter your name. The input function then allows the user to reply or provide a keyboard input, which is then, and the value of which is then passed to the variable name. The print and input function are just two of many inbuilt functions that you can call on in Python programming. In the next session, we're going to look at how you can create your own functions that you can reuse in your programs.